welcome back to LED screen replacement and technician hub. We're good today. We're going to be working on LG 65 inches, and those are the tools we're about to use for that. Yep. So it's a broken screen, and now we're going to be replacing it for the owner. It's a 65 inches LG, as you can see, UP 65 inches LG. So we're about to tear this behemoth down to the chassis. Yeah, we are going to be doing that with donor screen. I've been asked to do a video about that, which is coming soon. Working on it. So what you see us doing is losing it from right from the hanger of the TV down to the chassis. That's what you see us doing right there. Taking out the screws from the back cover. That's what we're doing right there. Taking out the screws. So now when we're done taking out the screws, which yeah, I'm doing a little bit fast forwarding because it took quite some time to get it off. So many screws, though not unlike Panasonic and Sony. Although old model Sony, not really the new ones. So yeah, here's the back, the rear coming off. We dropped that guy down. The work isn't done yet. Do not clap. We ain't done. So I'm just trying to show you guys. 6.5. Yep. So now we're taking off the legs, taking off the legs of the TV. We'll bring them out one after the other, and we're taking out the metal bracket which protects the chips. That's what you're seeing coming out right now. Now we've taken out that, and we're taking out the screws right round. Yeah, it's uh anti-clockwise. That was how we lost it. We didn't lose it clockwise. It was anti-clockwise, something like that. So now we're done with that, and we're taking out the whole screws from the front, which is holding the front bezel. That is what you also see coming out right up. It's coming out from the front bezel. We're taking it out. Yep. When we're done with that, we flipped it. Now we flip it. What we're going to do, bringing out the front bezel so that we can take out the damaged matrix. I'm fixing the right one. Then we're going to be showing you how this whole thing works. So I'm kind of walking you guys step by step what we do, how we do it, whether 65 inches, 75 inches, 43, 50. The processes are the same. It's just knowing when and how to where to place your hand. You might be asking, why didn't you use the suction cup? Yeah, in this part of the world, it's not like we don't use it, but we mastered the art of using our bare hands to do this thing. Actually, as you can see, getting off the old mattress, which is the liquid crystal display. I'm fixing in the new one, yeah, from the Donut TV. That's the next one. And the screen we use there is an original LG screen, though we characterize this one here in this part of the world, we call this a red screen because it usually shine red. So that's what you see in there. Sorry about the quality of the video dropping a bit because the phone I was using to shoot got down, the battery went low, so I kind of have to borrow another one to finish up. That's what you're seeing right there. The quality of the video kind of changed, but other than that, there's nothing else. So now we've gotten in the donor screen in, and then we're trying to screw the front bezel in. We're trying to secure it in place so that we can go ahead and test the new liquid crystal display, which you call screen or the matrix. So yeah, that's what we're trying to do. We're securing it. Once we're done securing it, we're going to get this thing powered up so that you guys can see. Basically, we tear this thing apart, like down to the chassis, like you guys saw. Now we're fixing the take on ribbon flex cable back to the panel, and then we're going to be getting the flat flex cable plugged in back to the main board. Yeah, as you can see there, it's converted to the single mount board. from a double direct to a single mount board. So if you want that done, you can also hook us up, like write down through comment or through the number on our bio. Okay, through the description, you can reach us out if you want us to help with your double direct board, convert it to single mount. We can do that for you. It will cost you not too much. Okay, we can do that for you. So now we're powering this guy up, and then there you go. As simple as that. It's powering up. It's coming up. From the loading, you should, or the processing, you should already know that's a UP. Yep, that's a UP right there. That's a UP. So we basically start setting it up, the English and all of that, and all of that, and all of that, and all of that. Yeah. So that's the TV basically right there, seeing it. But no, just wait a minute and done. We'll set it up for you to see how beautiful. But if you want a cheap donor screen such as this one, 75 inches, 65 inches, 55, 50, 43, 40, even down to basically 32 inches. Hook me up. Cheap donor screen. Replace your TV screen rather than throwing it off. Very cheap. You can, we'll say, affordable screen for you. If you want to buy new TV, fine and good. If you want to, can also help you acquire that. But if you want screen, we can sell for you. You want anyone you want, just link us up, okay? Link through the bio. You know how we do this thing. We get you what you want anytime, any day. And for those of you who are trying to learn how to do these things, that's basically it. So the takeaway today is how to place in 65 inches screen, and then how, okay, if you want to get a double direct board converted to single mount board, I didn't show you that right here, but if you want it done, you can just hook us up and we'll get that done for you. It's as simple as that. So tell me, isn't this TV lovely? Isn't this lovely? LG 65 inches. Look at the marvelous display. It's very beautiful. UP 65. Yep. That is it. That is it. That is basically it. If you love what we do here, you can subscribe, like, and share the video. And then come back next time, we'll have something for you. Okay, if you have any challenges with your TV, LG, Samsung, JVC, Philips, Sony, you can hit us up. We're here to help, okay? Like I said, like, subscribe, share the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.